Hello everyone, this is Rizwan Yousaf. In this quick video tutorial, we will discuss how we can perform CRUD operation using SQL Local DB in Windows form. Okay, let's get started. I have installed SQL Server and Visual Studio 22 on my machine. Okay, first we will create database in SQL Server. We will name it user DB. Okay. I have written code. In order to save the time, I will just copy and paste in order to create tables and store procedure as well. I will provide the link of source code and these codes file in the description of this video, where you can easily download it. Okay, I will just copy and paste. Here is our database. This piece of code will create table user TBL users. Okay. From here we will execute this code. Okay. Now we will see our table should be created. Yes. Next we will create store procedure. Okay, our first store procedure is sp create. Okay, I will just copy and paste. Alt N is the shortcut key. Okay, sp create. I will execute this code. From here we can find our store procedure. First I will refresh my database. Yes, our store procedure has been created successfully. Okay. Now we will create next store procedure, which is sp delete. Alt N, copy and paste. Execute and refresh. Create, delete, and the third one is get. Okay. Alt N. Okay, sp get. If we will pass 0 to this parameter user ID, this will return the whole list of user. Okay, if we provide the specific ID of user, then this code will provide that specific user. Okay. And the fourth one is update. I will just copy and paste. Alt N. Update. I will just refresh it. Now you can see our 4 SPs and 1 table is successfully created. Okay, create, delete, get and update. Now we will use these store procedure database as SQL Local DB in Windows form. in his window in Windows Form application. Okay, let's flip to Visual Studio. I will select Windows Form application. From here, I will select the Windows Form application .NET framework. Okay, and hit the next button. SQL Local DB. Our project has been successfully created. Now I will design this form, okay, in order to perform CRUD operations. Let's do it. From here you can download SQL Local DB. Okay. (64-bit) and 86. I will click on this link. I will provide this link in the description of the video. Okay, where you can easily download SQL Local DB. Okay, at this stage we have installed SQL Server Local DB setup, as you have seen, and we have a database, and we have a table in that database, and we have store procedure in that database as well. Now we will copy this database in our directory, and after copying the database we will use this database as SQL local database. Okay, we will copy this MDF file, database MDF file, and keep in our local directory, and after that we will make the connection with this database as SQL local database DB. Okay, let's do it. I have written the save function in my notepad. In order to save the time, I will just copy and paste. Okay. I will call this function on this button event, and we will add the relevant namespace of SQL command. Okay, here is our connection string. I will change slightly with respect to our directory name. Okay, our directory name is database files, I will copy this path and paste here. Okay, this is the name of our database. This is complete connection string. Okay, and we have store procedure in our database create. Okay, and these are the parameter of that, and these are the parameter of that store procedures. Okay, so this is the save function. After successfully save, this function will show the message record inserted successfully with the ID this. Okay, we will check this function shortly. Okay, after the save function, we will add rest of the functions. Okay, I have written in my notepad. In order to save time, I will just copy and paste. Now I will copy get function and paste. Okay, after get, I will copy update function and paste. User ID property, we need a property name user ID. I will add user ID. Okay, after that I will copy delete function and after delete, next function is clear control and then we have another function named validation, control validation. Okay, I will copy and paste control validation. So these are the functions we will use in our CRUD operations. So don't worry, I will provide the source code link in the description of this video. Okay. I will change the save button slightly. If validation if the user ID equal 0, then we will save. Now one more step we have to do in order to get the data from data grid view. Okay, I will click here and find the event of data grid view, mouse double click, cell mouse double click. Cell double click. This one. I will click, copy the code and paste. Okay, we have done with our code. Now we will test our application. Okay, I will add the information. First name, Rizwan. Password 123456 and active. Now I will click on save button. Okay, the record inserted successfully with ID 2. Okay, after inserting the data, it should be displayed in this grid view. Okay, data grid view dot data source get user zero mean all user. Okay, and right after save, the data should be displayed in the grid view. Okay, and I will copy this line and paste right after the save. Okay, and the update as well. And after saving, we will clear the control. Okay, and after update as well. Now we will check our application again. First I will click on save button. Validation will work. In valid operation, I will add my Sita, Mike, password CM, save. Yes, you can see the newly inserted row. Now we want to update this record. I will click on this record. Updated. Update it. And the password, this one. Click on save button. Yes, the record updated successfully. Yes. Now we want this row removed from this grid view. I will click on this cross button. The message will be pop up. Do you want to delete this record? Yes. The record has been successfully deleted. Okay. This is how we can perform CRUD operation using SQL Local database. In the next video, we will see how we can deploy or publish the SQL Local database on the client system. Okay, let me know if you have any query or question in comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.